Hello and welcome. This video was designed to introduce you to MetaLab's piping and plumbing package PractiPIPE, which can be used together or separately from PractiCAD's duct package. Though these systems share many features that are alike, PractiPIPE does have some key additional features that are worth mentioning in this video. With the addition of PractiCAD's piping and plumbing package, PractiPIPE, a contractor can get extensive libraries of parametric piping and plumbing fittings and joints. MetaLab has also taken the time to pre-input hundreds of thousands of line items from major manufacturers, including Pioneer, Nipco, Charlotte, Tyler, and Weldben. Currently, there are hundreds of thousands of individual catalog items that are included with the program. And just as MetaLab offers custom fitting services for duct, they also offer free development of any parametric pipe or plumbing fitting as well. Once you have the parametric template you need, creating a catalog is simple to do. Watch here as we custom design a dielectric union to get the exact standards we need. Remember, every fitting in PractiPIPE is built direct from a PDF straight from the manufacturer's website to ensure that we have the proper parameters for coordination and BIM. Once your catalogs are set the way you want, you can create pre-built systems that will automatically select the proper fittings and joints as you draw. Drawing in PractiPIPE is easy to do. Here we're going to draw some pipe off the equipment we have placed on the drawing. To start, we just need to go to the piping box, select the preset system we want to use, select the pipe type you want to draw with, and then choose size. When we do this, PractiPIPE simply eliminates the choices to whatever we've made available in our current system, thus making it easy to select. Then we choose a slope or slope angle we want to draw with and hit start. Now we'll simply attach the pipe to our equipment, and from here we can click and drag or type in a value for the direction we want to go. Then we're going to change our elevation by going to the elevation box and typing an 8-foot center line. When we do this, the software will autofill the piping line to the right height and with the right elbows we have selected for this particular system. This autofill feature makes it very fast to draw with and greatly eliminates mistakes. Here you can see as we drop down in size, the software just selects the proper reducer fitting from one of our Nipco catalogs and places it down. After that, it continues to draw the proper pipe after the change. Everything is automatic, however, everything can be changed on the fly as well. Now we're going to use autofill again by simply clicking on the equipment node and then dragging the pipe to the main line. When they touch, PractiPIPE looks at the fitting options you've specified in your preset systems, grabs the T you're supposed to use, and cuts it into the pipeline, making all connection changes necessary. Also, just like ductwork, PractiPIPE will continue to update the systems you're working with as you draw, so you don't have to keep resetting them. Every time you connect to a system, it updates. Here we'll connect some bolted bonnet gate valves into the line. Just bring the valve to each line, click to attach, and rotate it in the direction you want. Let's see all that in action again. Here you can see we have a piece of pipe that's of a different size and a different system than what we're attaching to. When we touch, PractiPIPE updates to the proper fitting, cutting the proper T into the line. From here, we just rotate to the proper direction and start drawing, each change in size or direction autofilling the proper elbow or reducer along the way. Once again, we simply pick pipe, click to align, let PractiPIPE auto-select, rotate to any direction we need, and then start drawing. Want to connect to another line? Just click on it, and PractiPIPE will autofill again. Want to move the line over a bit? Just click on the T, grab the node, and move the line where you want. PractiPIPE will edit everything along the way. Just like PractiCAD, PractiPIPE isn't short of available editing options either. See here as we click on a valve and then choose the Edit Pipe option. Here we can choose a specific view and visual style to look at any piping fitting. And then we can change any property we want direct from the parameter box. Once the edit is made, we simply hit OK and the drawing will update to reflect the change. Then we're going to click on a piece of pipe, choose the direction we want to edit, and go to the elevation box to make a change. Notice when we choose 7 foot as our new elevation, PractiPIPE edits the entire line to update. Just like duct and sheet metal, we can edit forward or backwards down any particular system. We can also make changes from the AutoCAD property box. See here as we quick select a pipeline and update a section with different types of liner. And remember, all of this will show up in the BIM model and can be used for collision detection as well. Next, we're going to simply drag some pipe between the two pipelines and let PractiPIPE drop down and auto route everything we need to connect. This can be between lines or individual pipes to calculate difficult offsets or roll angles. And lastly, partial view editing is available for pipe as well. Just highlight what you want to select the proper pipe in the system, and change any property available that you want. When you leave, PractiPIPE will edit the drawing to accommodate for the change. Remember, good editing can greatly reduce drafting time and coordination. Just like PractiCAD, PractiPIPE can create a report of a bill of materials at any time. These can be set as schedules on the drawing or printed out. In addition to reporting, a major feature in the program is the ability to automatically generate spools. Using a grouping tool in PractiPIPE, we simply select the different groups of pipe we want to spool. Once we do this, we are one click away from PractiPIPE generating as many spools at one time as we like. The look of each spool is completely customizable, and all the numbering and dimensioning is fully automatic. You do not have to add your own manually. These spools can be printed out, created on separate paper spaces in AutoCAD, or placed as an entirely separate DWG drawing all at the same time. You can even run automatic for spool map drawings. It is well known that spooling your pipe or duct so that you can prefab before install can save an enormous amount of time in the field. PractiPIPE makes this easy. So that will conclude the short demo on PractiPIPE. Hopefully this video gave you a quick glimpse of how easy drafting can be with the use of this tool. Used in conjunction with other Metal Lab products, including PractiCAD, PractiCam, PractiRev, PractiEst, and PractiNav, you can get all your BIM modeling and fabrication needs from one source. Please contact us shortly for a free presentation, and thanks for watching.